2016 Toyota Prius for TFL approved cameras. So on the front here, this is our TFL approved camera. Switch it on, you can see the lights will display on the bottom of the unit. So you have the front camera just up at the front here. You have your SIM card and your SD card tray on the side, protected by lock and key. I can show you that. There's your lock and your key. So you also have the front camera just up on the front. It comes with your 2 stickers. Obviously you get your CCTV and operation down here. So you get that. I'll show you an outside view, what it would look like from the outside. These are your new TFL approved cameras. Final look on the inside again.